Hey, are you struggling to make your web pages and your websites really fly with AI, making it not look like AI slop? You gotta watch this video. Let's go. Your AI-built landing page looks okay to you, but it looks like every other AI-built page on the internet. And to everybody else, it seems fine. But to professionals, we can see the fakeness. So here, I'm gonna tell you how you fix it. First, I'm going to tell you exactly why that happens, and it's not the AI's fault. It's one thing that you left out. And then I'll show you the setting almost nobody is using that gives AI an actual design brain instead of the default. And then at the end, the specific one that I use that makes your page come alive and makes it actually professional, personalized, and distinct instead of looking like a template that everybody else uses. 3 moves in a few minutes here, and you can go fix your page tonight. First, AI web pages look like slop because you gave it no context. Ask for a landing page with nothing else, and it hands you safe averages. So, learn from a million identical templates. The tells are always the same. Here's what it looks like. The one font does everything, typically interfont. The purple to blue gradient, classic. Cards stacked inside of cards, gray text nobody can read on the phone. It's not a bad result, but it is the most likely result, which is exactly why it looks like everybody else's. And then skills are what actually changes that, because they give AI a design brain instead of a default. A skill is a set of instructions and rules that the AI loads before it builds. So instead of guessing, it works from real design principles, brand context, and a list of what it should never generate. And that is the difference between AI that copies templates and AI that designs on purpose. And then the last one, and this is the actual one that I use, and we use it in the agency as well. It's called the Impeccable Skill. The Impeccable Skill is the one to get, and it makes your pages look personalized and distinct. It's an open source design skill designed by Paul Backus or Backhouse that hands the AI actual design vocabulary, curated anti-patterns, and commands that audit, polish, and critique what actually gets built. You feed it who the page is for and how you want to come across. And the output stops looking generated and starts looking like you hired somebody professional. Stand out, personalized, different, which is exactly the whole point. So go pull up your own page and look for the gradient and the gray text. Then go get the skill. You can find it, just search online, go to the terminal, install it, and I'll put the link in the description as well. And hey, subscribe if you want more videos like this, the practical version of AI for people running a business, not writing code. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great evening, day or night. Coming to you from beautiful, sunny California, loving it every day. Have a good one.